This is an analysis and interpretation of the song Solsbury Hill by Peter Gabriel, analysis done by GPT-4. Verse 1. In this verse, the protagonist describes an experience atop Solsbury Hill, where they have a vision or encounter with an eagle. The eagle represents a spiritual or mystical presence, and the protagonist feels compelled to pay attention to its message. The lyrics describe time standing still, which may signify a transcendent or altered state of consciousness. Chorus. The protagonist initially struggles to believe the information they receive during the encounter, but ultimately decides to trust their imagination and intuition. The mention of their heart-going boom, boom, boom signifies a strong emotional reaction and possibly a spiritual awakening. The message from the eagle, "Son, grab your things, I've come to take you home," implies a call to action, a return to a more authentic, spiritual, or meaningful life. Verse 2. In this verse, the protagonist decides to keep their experience a secret, fearing that others would judge them as strange or delusional. The reference to turning water into wine could allude to spiritual transformation, but the protagonist feels the doors of opportunity would close if they openly discussed their experience. They continue through life feeling stuck until they contemplate which connections in their life they should let go of in order to move forward. Chorus 2. The protagonist feels disconnected from the mundane aspects of life, symbolized by the machinery. The eagle's message again urges them to embrace their true self and return to their spiritual or authentic home. Verse 3. Illusion and the elusive nature of freedom are discussed in this verse, as the protagonist recognizes that they are never truly where they want to be. They feel observed by empty silhouettes, which could represent people who are not fully present or aware. The protagonist resolves to break free from societal expectations and show a different, more authentic version of themselves. Chorus 3. In this final chorus, the protagonist no longer needs a replacement or a facade to hide behind. They embrace their newfound freedom and authenticity, telling the world that they have finally found their true home, which is not tied to material possessions. Overall, the song explores themes of personal transformation, spiritual awakening, and breaking free from societal norms and expectations. The lyrics touch on the idea of embracing one's intuition and inner guidance to find a more authentic, meaningful existence.